Hello viewers, another air raid siren in Los Angeles. This is Siren 124. It's a rotating. It's located on Balboa Boulevard and Addison in the city of Encino. This one is in an old or an abandoned fire station here. Here's a map where it is. This is my 20th air raid siren, so I changed my map up a little bit, just kind of showing exactly, more hyper-focusing on where they are at. So this is a city of Encino, and technically it's another one in a fire station, even though this one is abandoned. The new one is right across the street over there. Anyway, here you go, rotating, pretty decent shape. Check the electrical. The wire is cut at the insulators, and on this side I can see the drop wire that comes down. So no electrical to this one. All right, there you go. Another air raid siren in Los Angeles. Siren 124, rotating here in Encino, California, in an abandoned gas station, or excuse me, fire station. All right. Thanks for watching.